Hey, so I want to show you step by step how to leave the classes that you're already registered for in your Navigate, so that's good. And then also change the two classes that you need to select a different time for, and then also get on the wait list for biology and math. Because there are wait lists available for those classes, and so you can get on the wait list for those, and then be in those classes for the times and days that you already selected. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is log into your MyJSU, and once you are in your MyJSU, you want to click on Schedule Planner, select Spring, and submit. All right, here we go. So it's going to take you straight to your shopping cart, and mine, I tried to mirror your classes. I know the times are different, and that's fine. I'm just doing this for an example. And also, I don't have biology in here because that was full, but we'll talk about that. Okay, so continue planning schedule. JSU, so just save and continue, and it's going to bring you back to that courses and breaks page like when you first started, but also at the bottom it has your shopping cart. Okay, so we're going to leave psychology and STU 101 alone because you are registered for those two classes. Biology and math, when we go to register, like I said, those have a wait list available, and you're going to add yourself to the wait list. So the only two classes that you need to choose another time and day for are English and nursing. So let's look at English. You're going to click Options. All right, so all you want to do is you want to make the check mark go away for the one that you had selected, which it may not even show up since it's full. And then you just want to find another time that you would like to go to. So I'm just going to click on one just because. But you choose the one you want and save and close. And then I am going to go to the nursing. And once again, if the check mark is there for the one you had selected, take that one off and then go to one that you want to go to. Save and close. All right, this is what you need to do. For this, you need to click on the ones that you have changed. So click on English 102, click on Nursing 121, come down to your shopping cart, take off English, yes, we know, and then take off nursing. Then you are going to generate schedule. What this has done is it has taken off your old English and your old nursing, and it has generated a new schedule with the new English and the new nursing that you just selected. So then you want to click View, and you'll see that the old English has been taken off. See how I chose section 34? Well, now down here it says section 31. And for nursing, it was section 3, but now it's section 2. We left psychology alone, so see it still says section 4. We left STU alone, it's still section 2. Okay, so we're going to click View. So we're back here, and then you're going to click Send to Shopping Cart. Yes, we want to send it to Shopping Cart. All right, so here you are. Now, this part I can't show you because it's not going to let me register because I'm not a student, but you're going to click Register. Your classes are going to come up, and it's still probably going to say, it should say web registered for everything except for biology and math. It should say section full wait list. There's going to be an action box and it's a drop down box. You want to click on that and you want to click add or wait list. It's going to be one of those two options. So click that, and then you want to click save changes, which should be right in this area, or submit changes to make sure that you have been added to the wait list for your biology class and your math class, okay? And then that's going to be about it. So please email me or call me if you have any questions or something doesn't go right, and we'll just keep working on this, okay? All right, that's going to be about it. See you later.